One thing that I notice very clearly at Whitefield and Malur, in your plants, there are a lot of plants.
Well, one thing is, coming from Rajasthan, I know the value of water.
Right.
And when we came to Whitefield, also there was no water.
Okay.
One of our Japanese uh, uh, people from Yuken, Japan, he donated money so that we could put a bore well and get water to drink. Because when we went there, the government didn't supply transport or water, and nothing, not even a road. It was a metal road, not
Okay.
even a tarred road.
Right.
I said that the only thing the government gave us was air. So everything we had to do ourselves. So then we did a lot of planting. So after the planting, the water table came up and we had no shortage of water. Even in our Malur plant, there were 5 bore wells. When we went there, all were dry.
Okay.
And we used to spend a couple of lakhs of rupees a month on tankers to buy water.
Oh.
But before we even bought the land, we took permission of the owner. As soon as we had an understanding, we started planting there. And from the second year, the water table came up.
All right.
And now for the last, more than 10 years now, we have not bought a single tanker of water. We got plenty, as much water as we want. Only because of planting.
It does not give me any impression of it ever having been arid land.
Oh,
There are ducks there.
yeah, it was absolutely arid. There was not a single blade of grass growing there. It was completely barren when we,
Awesome. Okay.
we bought it.